So guys, welcome to my channel. And first you have to come on gigabyte.com, and this is search key. So click to search and type your motherboard model number Z790 AORUS XTREME X ICE, then hit enter. Then click on product. Click off model number of motherboard. Then click to support. You can see there the all the driver and BIOS, all the drivers there. Select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. If you are different using, so no worry, you can follow this video and you can install it. Okay, select like that Windows 11 VGA driver. Click to download. Then it is downloaded. Just single click to graphic driver and double click to extract it, and wait few seconds. It will totally extract to your system and then try to install it. And then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds to complete. So it is done means closed.